Hello and welcome to the third film in our Windows series. In it, we look at the individual components that make up a typical tilt and turn window. The part of the window that is fixed permanently to the fabric of the building is called the window frame. The window frame is set into the wall opening, and the joints to the window breast, the reveals and the lintel are sealed to ensure they are weatherproof. The openable part of the window is called the casement. It's fixed to the window frame along its axis of rotation and closes against the window frame. When individual panes of glass or glazing units are set directly in the window frame, we use the term fixed glazing. Horizontal members called transoms can be used to divide casements into smaller units to make it easier to replace the glass, for example. Casements are joined to the window frame along their axes of rotation by hinges which form part of the window furniture, along with other metal fittings attached to the frames that are used to open and close, turn and tilt the casements. A handle serves to open and close the window. With tilt and turn windows, it's rotated by 90 degrees to turn the window and by 180 degrees to tilt it. These handles are commonly lever or knob-shaped. The window breast is covered internally and externally with a structure or surface known as a window sill, also called a window ledge. It may be solid, as in a precast concrete sill, or simply a form of cladding. Windows can also be classified according to the number of casements they contain. Single casement windows have one casement, double casement windows have two, and multi-casement windows may consist of a combination of fixed and opening casements. Windows that are divided horizontally often feature one or more fanlights at the top. There are two types of double casement window. In one, the casements close against a central post that forms part of the window frame. In the other, one casement closes against the frame or stile of the other. These windows are known as French casement windows. The first casement has a handle, the second has a bolt located in the window frame. French casement windows have the advantage of reducing the amount of visible window frame. Summary: a tilt and turn window comprises the following components: the window frame, which is fixed permanently to the fabric of the building, the opening casement, and the glazing, which is fitted in the casement frame. Casements are joined to the window frame along their axes of rotation by hinges. Windows are opened and closed using a handle. The window breast is covered internally and externally with a structure or surface known as a window sill. Why not take a look at the fourth film in our Windows series, in which we consider key details of window construction?